Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss the class 10 question paper of science of CBSE board, and this is your set 1 code number 31 to 1. So basically in this video I am just going to cover section A, which is of 1 to 20 questions having 1 marks each. So your first question is, which of the following is an example of endothermic process? Endothermic process means the reactions which absorb energy. Options are these four. First, formation of slaked lime. This is also exothermic process. And decomposition of vegetable is also exothermic. Digestion of body in our food energy produces, so this is also exothermic. So answer will be C, dissolution of ammonium chloride. And the second option is, if the experiment setup is like this, in which case conduction will be done. And these options are, and conduction is due to the free ions. When ions will be free, they will move and conduct electricity and that bulb will glow. So dilute hydrochloric acid is your HCl. It will release into two ions, H positive and Cl negative. And dilute sulfuric is your H2SO4 and it will release 2H positive and SO4 2 negative ions. But in case of glucose solution and alcohol, ions will not produce, so your option will be C. In this question, you just have to balance the chemical equation. Equation is given, you have to find X and Y. So to balance this equation, basically firstly there is 2 lead, means there should be also 2 lead. You have to multiply this side by 2. And whenever here is 2, the total number of nitrogens will be 2 into 2. There will be 4 nitrogens. Means this side you have to multiply this term with 4. So nitrogens will be balanced both sides. And after this oxygen will balance. Here is your 2 oxygen. So here is also your 2 oxygen. Okay, everything is balanced. Your option will be 2 and 4. So next question is, when zinc react with sodium hydroxide, the product formed is. So zinc forms amphoteric oxide. So it will react with acid and base both. So when it react with base, it forms sodium zincate, which is your Na2ZnO2. So answer will be B in this question. Your next question is, among the following the metal which has the lowest density, and your correct option will be lithium. And after that, the number of electrons in the outermost shell of the atom of the non-metal. So basically non-metal reacts by gaining electrons, by gain of electron. So it must have 5, 6, 7 electrons to get stable. It will just need 3 to 1 electrons. So next question is, the total number of electrons shared in the formation of an ethyne molecule. Ethyne means carbon, triple bond carbon. So these options are 6, 3, 10 and 4. Your answer will be 10. And how? For example, this is your C triple bond C. Total number of bonds are here 1, 2, 3, 4. And one bond shares 2 electrons. Means there are 5 bonds. So total number of electrons will be your 10. And next question is, sphincter muscle are present at the exit of. Answer will be stomach and anus. Option B. So next question is, in the following diagram, identify the cells through which massive amount of gaseous exchange take place for photosynthesis. So there are 4 options, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the 4th surface will have maximum amount of gaseous exchange, and answer will be 4. So your next question is, during vigorous exercise an athletes have cramps due to conversion of pyruvate to lactic acid. Answer will be lactic acid. जब एक एथलीट फास्ट रन करता है तो लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी इज रिक्वायर्ड, तो पॉसिबल नहीं होती बॉडी में इतनी एनर्जी, तो ऑक्सीजन की एब्सेंस में फूड का ब्रेक डाउन हो जाता है और इंस्टेंट एनर्जी मिल जाती है. सो ड्यू टू एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन बाय द मसल्स, पायरुवेट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू लैक्टिक एसिड which causes cramp. So answer will be your C. After that, plant which bear unisexual flower. Answer will be watermelon and papaya. And next question, when an egg-bearing sperm fertilizes the egg, the resulting zygote has the following combination of chromosomes. So जब ये given है कि sperm is having only X, so answer will be your XX and 44. These two options, B and D options, will be removed because there is YY. Only these two options can be possible, A and C. But in case they are saying combination of chromosome, the 22 pairs 44 and XX. Next is an object is placed in front of convex mirror at infinity. According to the new Cartesian sign convention, the sign of the focal length and the sign of the image distance in the cases are respectively. And this is a convex mirror. Object is at infinity and focal length will be that side. Your answer will be negative and positive. Answer number B. And next question is here. For verifying Ohm's law, we design an electric circuit diagram in which we show the arrangement of different circuit components. We find that with respect to the resistor. With respect to resistor, ammeter is always connected in series and voltmeter is always connected in parallel. And next question is, in a resistive circuit, if the current is increased 2 times, the percentage change in the amount of heat dissipated. So firstly, H is equals to I square RT starting में, when they are saying current is increased 2 times, means 2 I square RT H dash and it will be 4 I square RT. And the change is your minus upon niche total. After this, you will get 3 I square RT upon I square RT, I square RT, I square cancel, and that will be answer 300%. And next question is, a positron enters a uniform magnetic field at right angles to it as shown. The direction of force experienced by the positron will be. Positron की direction upward, magnetic field की this side. And Fleming's left hand rule says कि force, magnetic field and current, all these are perpendicular to each other. So answer will be C, into the page. Force will be into the page. And after that, your question number 17 to 20 are assertion reason type. So your first question is assertion, sodium oxide is an amphoteric oxide. False, क्योंकि हमें पता है कि सिर्फ जिंक ऑक्साइड और एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड ही एम्फोटेरिक ऑक्साइड है. एंड एम्फोटेरिक ऑक्साइड्स वो होते हैं जो एसिड और बेस दोनों के साथ रिएक्ट करके सॉल्ट और वाटर बनाते हैं. एंड द सेकेंड, मेटल ऑक्साइड विच रिएक्ट विद एसिड एंड बेस आर एम्फोटेरिक. ट्रू. सो योर असर्शन इज फॉल्स एंड रीजन इज ट्रू. ऑप्शन डी. एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, assertion is given. Assertion is, when a bacterium divides into 2 and the resultant bacteria divide again, the 4 bacteria produced would be almost similar. That is true. DNA copying involves small inaccuracies in the reproduction process. This is also true, but these are not the explanation. So answer will be B. Reason and assertion both are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion given here, and your option will be B. And next question is assertion, a person suffering from myopia cannot see the distant object clearly. True, कि जो person myopia से affected है उसको distant object clearly नहीं दिखाई देगा. But to correct this, we use diverging lens, which is your concave lens. यहाँ पे converging lens दिया है. Converging lens means they are talking about convex lens, which is false. So your answer will be C. Assertion is true, reason is false, and option number C. Next is assertion, magnetic field line do not intersect each other. This is a true statement, क्योंकि अगर वो कट करेंगे it means they are showing two directions at a point, which is not possible. And your reason is magnetic field lines are imaginary lines. The tangent which at any point gives the direction of the field, that is true. So your option will be A. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion.